There are three common mistakes I see when someone's making a hire. The first one is they hire completely out of desperation, right? We've all been there. You're so overworked that you hire the first warm body that applies. Oftentimes, hiring out of desperation will end in not a good hire. You need to take the time to vet the people that you're hiring and make sure that they're a right good fit. The second mistake I oftentimes see is that they hire the easy person, right? They hire their cousin, they hire their sister, somebody that they already know, and they can verbally vomit on and hope they get the job done. Not always a good fit, because I'm telling you that it's hard to fire your family. And then the third mistake that I oftentimes see is they hire the person that's just like them. They're highly analytical and they oftentimes have analysis paralysis. So they hire someone else that has analysis paralysis, and neither one of you get anything done. Or in my case, you hire the person that talks too much and you don't get anything done. Hire for the job and you will always do well.